Hi, I'm Lauren Tagansky Love. I'm a traditional midwife. I'm a teacher of fertility awareness and everything natural birth control, and I am the founder and director of Wise Woman's Choice. And I'm so excited to be with you here today to share with you about how we use Wise. So using Wise is actually very simple. You're gonna wait until you finish foreplay, and right before penetration, you're gonna grab your cream, you're gonna put it on your finger. About this much is a great dose. So check that out there. I like to think of it as kind of filling up a toothbrush head or the tip of my finger. And this amount of cream you're gonna put inside you. And so it's great to practice this ahead of time so that you get used to the technique that you need to use for your unique anatomy to make sure to get it inside the vaginal canal and not lost around the opening. From there are a couple scenarios to be aware of when using Wise. The first one is if you are making love and having many position changes in which you're withdrawing and penetrating again. In this case, the cream could get lost a bit, and so it's a good idea to at some point apply a bit more before ejaculation. Because the key to Wise's efficacy, which has been amazing for thousands of women, is just its presence in the vagina at the time of ejaculation. We also recommend for those of you that are making love for many hours, first of all, congratulations. And second of all, this is another time in which it would be wise to apply a little bit more of your cream at some point, because with all the activity, again, it could be lost. And so these are just things to be mindful of. Many women ask me, how far inside do I need to put it? Ideally, we'd like to get it all the way up to the cervix, because our cervix is the door between our vaginal canal and our womb, where an egg would technically be fertilized. And as we approach ovulation, our cervix actually begins to open. And so if you're not familiar with what your cervix feels like, that's okay. And it's actually quite normal because we were never taught this, most of us. Now, if you reach in with your finger into your vaginal canal, the cervix is going to feel like a nub at the back of the canal. This is your cervix. And ideally, if you can get the cream on there, fantastic. This is going to help ensure that this sperm comes in contact with the cream no matter where you are at your cycle, because as we approach ovulation, our cervix is opening a little bit. So this is a little bit of extra care that you can take to make your experience with Wise the most effective that it can be. You don't have to become neurotic about any of these scenarios. It's actually so simple to use Wise, and it has the added benefit of adding lubrication, of adding moisture, because it's an all-natural cream, you guys. I've been using this for years, so have most of my friends, and it's life-changing, it's game-changing, especially for me after experiencing depression, weight gain, suicidal ideation, all these crazy things from years of hormonal birth control. And not just that, afterwards not really knowing what to do and having to rely on condoms, this transformed my love life, and I pray it does the same for you. And we are always here for you if you have questions, if we can support you in any way on your natural birth control journey. You can reach out to us here at Wise at wisewomanschoice@gmail.com, and we'll be sure to get back to you. You are beauty, you are love, you are wise.